you'll notice that I've spoken many times that if you're researching in the Bible, you're going to get a lot of the spiritual clues that opened your eyes to see what you were doing in the legal world and why it has so punished you, as it's punished me and everybody else that's participated in it. The word escape, in its etymology or main meaning, is to leave one's cloak behind. If we look in Scripture, we remember there's a couple situations that were going on. There's also the account in the Old Testament or the Hebrew Scriptures dealing with Joseph, who was being enticed by the wife of Pharaoh to actually have sexual intercourse, and he knew this would be a violation against the authority of the Pharaoh, and he wouldn't do such an act. So, of course, Pharaoh's wife grabbed Joseph's garment, and he left it behind. Okay, it's almost like he left the very object of somewhat symbolic of sin that could have occurred. Because the garment also would have represented who he was in that society, because certain people in the government or in the house of Pharaoh would have worn certain clothing to know who they were. In the world that we're living today, we're maybe a little bit more concentrated into the New Testament or the New Covenant Scriptures, and there, of course, it speaks of basically to almost leave one's garment behind. It's like it's been used in various scriptures, but to leave one's garment, it's almost like it's a cloaking device. In the legal, when we have a legal surname, we're actually cloaking who we really are in truth. It's a cover-up. It's to cover up the truth because we're operating in fiction. So therefore, when you mix the two together, that's where the problem comes in and the confusion. So throughout the coming videos, you're going to get a little bit more clear on what the escape is, but certainly you will be leaving something that you're claiming behind.